Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here is a brief introduction about me. My name is Hira Najib. I'm doing electrical engineering from NUST H12 campus. I'm currently in my junior year. I've done O-levels and A-levels from Ahmedabad. My A-level subjects were maths, chemistry and physics. I have teaching experience of 1.5 to 2 years. The subjects that I have taught are chemistry, mathematics and physics. I've been teaching in Iqra Academy Ahmedabad, Levels Academy Ahmedabad, and I've also given private tuitions to the students. So with Valeem, I'll be teaching mathematics and physics for A-level students. Here's brief introduction about A-levels physics paper. This paper is Cambridge International AS and A-levels physics. The paper code is 9702. There are total 5 papers. In AS level, paper 1, 2 and 3, and in A-levels there are paper 4 and 5. Paper 1 is a multiple choice question paper that is of 1 hour and 15 minutes. The total marks are 40. Then we have is paper 2, that is structured question paper that is of 1 hour and 15 minutes and total marks are 60. Paper 3 is advanced practical skills paper that is of 2 hours and the total marks are 40. Then we have is paper number 4, that is A-levels structured question paper that is of 2 hours and total marks are 100. And then planning, analysis and evaluation paper. The time for this paper is 1 hour 15 minutes and total marks for this paper are 30 marks. Next up we have is A-levels mathematics. This is Cambridge International AS and A-levels mathematics. The code for the paper is 9709. There are 6 components for the mathematics paper that are pure mathematics 1, 2, 3, probability and statistics 1, 2, and then mechanics. If you choose paper number 1 and paper number 2, that is pure mathematics only in your AS level, then you cannot progress to A-levels. If you choose paper number 1, that is pure mathematics, and paper number 4, that is mechanics, then you have the option of choosing paper number 3, that is pure mathematics 3, and paper number 5, that is probability and statistics paper. Then if you choose paper number 1 and 5, that is pure mathematics 1 and probability and statistics, then you have 2 more options left. You can choose paper number 3 and paper number 4 in A-levels, that is pure mathematics 3 and mechanics in A-levels, and you can choose pure mathematics 3 and probability and statistics, that is paper number 3 and paper number 6 in A-levels. Then expectations from the students. What I expect from my students and what I suggest them is to work hard, as it is the key to the success. Then listen to the lectures carefully, because this will help them to clear their concepts. Ask questions in the class, because asking questions always help you to clear all your ambiguities, and it will help you to practice the questions easily. Then revise the lectures and practice more. Practicing more questions will always help you to get good grades in A-levels. Final instruction is that do not unmute the mic unless you have any questions or you are answering, because this will create disturbance in the class. Next is the marks breakdown. Your total grade will consist of the percentage of assignments, quizzes, class participation and final assessment. The assignments is given 20% of the weightage of the whole grade. Your quizzes is given 25% of the weightage. Class participation is given 5% of the weightage, and the final assessment is given 50% of the weightage. We have LMS Portal for Valeem, in which every student and every teacher is given one account, in which the teachers upload assignments, quizzes, class materials, books, syllabus, practice questions, and all the lectures, and students can see all the class material and all the lectures and can always revise them whenever they have time. Is motivation for the students. I always suggest my students to work hard, set your goals, because you should always have a clear mind and thought that what are your goals and what path you must follow to achieve your goals. You should always give time to your studies. You should have a proper timetable and you must follow it. Practice more, because practice is the key for getting good grades. And by practicing a question, you actually implement the concept on the questions and you actually know how the question is solved and how that concept helped you in solving the particular question. You should be positive and you should be confident about yourself. For what you do, you should be confident about it. Then feedback form. Filling feedback form is very important. You should fill the feedback form timely. After every lecture, we will have a feedback form that must be filled by every student, and it is mandatory for every student to fill that feedback form. Feedback form helps to improve the performance of the teachers, and it helps the teachers to bring improvement in their method of teaching and in her or his lectures. It also increases motivation among the students and teachers. It keeps better understanding among the teachers and the students. Here are all the handles for the social media pages and website. You can always visit valeem.com to see what facilities they are giving to the students, and then you can always visit Study at Valeem Facebook page and Valeem online Instagram page. Then you can always contact Valeem if you have any questions or queries. Here is the email, contact@valeem.com. Then we have his YouTube handle Valeem Online and LinkedIn profile Valeem Online. Thank you so much for your attention, and Allah Hafiz.